At the bottom, click Elements. You can either add elements. So I can come over here and I can click on Shapes and I can add a shape here and start typing. I can adjust where the shape appears in the video clip. So if I want to make it appear in a specific time duration, I can click here and just drag the shape around. I can adjust the timestamp so that the shape appears exactly where I want to appear in the video. So it won't appear here, but as I click play, my shape appears here and then it disappears after it goes through this time duration. You can also come over here and add text box. So same thing here. I can edit it. And I can also move it around depending on where I want it to be in the video clip. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.